Got no sleep and no morning erection? Namaste! Welcome, gentlemen. It's Anita Tatavarthi. I'm a licensed acupuncturist with over 20 years of experience. I've also treated over 100,000 patients in my lifetime. Today, I want to share with you a protocol that can help you to sleep and have that morning erection. From the comments and also from the virtual appointments, it looks like the protocols I've been presenting for a morning erection have been working. If they are, do put a happy emoji down below so I know. If they aren't, put an unhappy emoji so that I can change the protocols. It's really important to me that I use my 20 years of knowledge well to help you along the way. Let me share with you a case from my practice. Gentleman came in, he's 55 years old. He has a teenage daughter and he's starting a new relationship. He explained to me that he is not able to sustain an erection during intimacy, and he also lacks a morning erection. Then when I asked him a few more questions, I discovered that he snores really loudly. He wakes up through the night, and he also explains to me that he feels like he's not breathing. Also, when he wakes up, he feels like he didn't go to sleep. So in my mind, I thought this gentleman may have low testosterone and he also may have sleep apnea. So I asked him to go to his medical doctor. Sure enough, he did have low testosterone and also was fitted for a sleep apnea machine. After 90 days of listening to his doctor and using the sleep apnea machine, he also did acupuncture and the acupressure that I'm about to show you. He started to have a morning erection, and he also was able to sustain an erection with his new partner. So if you are seeing an acupuncturist in town, I would recommend that they do really relaxing points such as Ir Shen Men and Yin Tong. But you also want to do points to open up the nasal passageways so that the person can breathe while they sleep. And if they can sleep, they can also help manage their testosterone levels for a morning experience. So you'll want to do 3 emperors. You can do PC 7, 6, and 3. You can also do 4 flowers and also 3 scholars. These are great points to help you along the way. And also get checked out by your medical doctor. See if you need a sleep apnea machine or if you need a supplement from your medical doctor to help you with your testosterone levels. Some of these acupressure points can help boost testosterone naturally, but I absolutely want you to get checked out by your medical doctor. So as far as the acupressure, there are 2 reasons why we want to do the following acupressure protocol. One is we want to open up the nasal passageways on the ethmoid, sphenoid sinuses, as well as the frontal sinus and the maxillary sinus. And also, if you look at the mirror imaging of those sinuses, you'll also see that the root of the genitalia is represented at yin tong and also on the cheeks. So what this gentleman did is every night before he went to bed, he took a shower and he did this acupressure protocol for 2 minutes along with nasal breathing. Nasal breathing can also bring blood flow to the root of the genitalia. Breathe from your abdomen or your chest, close your mouth, breathe from one or both nostrils. So for the next 2 minutes, we're going to acupress to help you to relax to sleep and also boost testosterone naturally along with your doctor's recommendations, and also clear the nasal passageways so that you can breathe to sleep, which is going to also in turn help you with testosterone and that morning erection. Follow along with me for the next 2 minutes. Here we go. Consider doing this nighttime, perhaps in the shower, before you use your sleep apnea machine to help you to sleep and also to help you to boost testosterone naturally for that morning erection. Do work with your medical doctor, as this gentleman did. If you want a virtual appointment with me, it's in the link tree up above. If you have a lady friend, send her on over to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Great Women's Health over there. And wherever you're watching us, all the monetization money is going towards future free clinics in my hometowns of Washington, D.C. and near Hyderabad, India. If you want to give a donation, it's the first link down below and the link up on above. Thank you so much for your support. Till next time, I wish you a good night's sleep. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here next time from your friend and acupuncturist, Anita Tatavarthi.
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Rapely Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which is now being converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months, and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is pains, lots of different types.